Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your side windows. That means if you have a Smart Fortwo and you unlocked your battery, for example, or you have a fail function in your automatic open and close function of your windows, the resetting process can be a solution for you. We must reset each side window if the side window opens again slightly after being closed fully, or the side windows can no longer be fully opened or closed. That means we close all doors. We turn the key to position 2 in the ignition lock. We pull the corresponding switch on the door control panel, and the side window is completely closed. After this, we hold the switch for an additional second or two. If the side window opens again slightly, immediately pull the corresponding switch on the door control panel until the side window is completely closed. After this, we hold the switch for an additional second or two. If the corresponding side window remains closed after the button has been released, the side window has been reset. Job's done, and we can go back on the road correctly. If this is not the case, we repeat the steps again. And after this process, our comfort function and our standard open and close function will be enabled again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.